a really useful engine. He's going on a special trip to the circus. All aboard! Ay, no! Don't aming toys! Bye! Thomas is James the red engine. What is in James' freight cars? Wag ka magbubukas, awag! Awag! Thomas passes by a farm. What is on the road? Mabagsak tayo! Oh. Ting, ting. Thomas is up high on a bridge. What is in the sky? Thomas jogs along the seaside. What is in the water? Hooray! Thomas has arrived at the circus. Look at all wonderful things to see and do. This na. The end.